Hello and welcome everybody. Hopefully everybody's having a great Friday. For me, it hasn't turned out too well. I'm about to walk into work pretty soon, so I figured I'd get this out of the way real quick. So let's just jump straight into this. So Dcth, I did grab a couple more shares of Dcth, trying to average down a little bit. Hopefully we get a couple players to play on Monday and this goes up a little bit, enough for me to get out. That's this whole, well then. So my current average price for Dcth is 0.1685. So it didn't go down too drastically. I'm down $4.19. We'll see where this goes closer to the power hour at the end of the day, after market today, and potentially opening Monday. Jnug did get to reach down into the $14 today. It was down $14.82 is today's low. So I did get to buy a bit more. You see, I bought, my average is now $16.27. So hopefully next week that definitely goes back up. I mean, I'm planning on holding that for a bit until it reaches at least 20. See, I cut out of some of AMD. I now hold 12 shares of AMD because I see more potential in Jnug than I do in AMD. So holding AMD for such a long time rather than holding Jnug for a shorter amount of time, I feel like would pay off a lot better also. So current price there is $13.36. It is up almost $1 on this one, with all the stuff that I did cut out of it. So hopefully that just continues to go up as closer as we get to the earnings. And if it does dip down again, I'll buy a couple more. I'll play around with Jnug and AMD for a little bit. But Dcth seems to be dying out in my opinion. And then we got Dxtr. Dxtr came a little bit up from where it closed, or from the pre-market hours. But my average is currently 0.2747. So we'll see if it breaks back up to 30 cents come Monday. That's a pretty big one. It's one of my Dcth, AMD, Dxtr are top volume players on my watch list. So I can see those going pretty good or pretty bad, either which way. WWE is always on there for me. It's reaching that point where I feel comfortable buying in to sit on it for a couple of days. They also have their earnings coming up. I'm not exactly sure when it was. And then XXII took a little dip today, so I've been watching it. Potentially get back in there. But see where all this stuff goes for Monday. For the meantime, I'm going to take my ass to work. You guys have a great one, and hopefully everybody's having a great green day. See you guys Monday.
Till the end of time. Wait a while, take the spot. I'll be yours and you'll be mine. Until the end of time.